everybody, welcome back to the V Experience. We're gonna get right into the video today and make some mashed potato salads, Caribbean inspired. So as you can see, I'm boiling my potatoes. It's supposed to be in salt water, but I forgot, so I end up adding the salt after for some flavor. And I left the skin on just for nutrient purposes because all the good little nutrients is right beneath the skin, similar to other varieties of vegetables, and I'll have information on that as well if you're interested. If you do plan on using the skin, make sure you thoroughly clean the potatoes as they can be dirty. However, I use a potato scrubber cleaner and that worked just fine. You'll see a lot of steam, but that's because it's from the heat of the potatoes. I don't like to let them cool off. I probably should, but I don't. I just feel like it's easier to blend when it's lukewarm. And I'm going to add some unsweetened coconut milk and some vegan mayonnaise that I got from Trader Joe's. Traditionally, the recipe calls for some light cream, regular mayonnaise, and extra salad cream or extra mayonnaise. However, this is plant-based friendly and vegan friendly, so I can easily manipulate the taste just by subbing it out. Next, I'm adding in some Old Bay seasoning just for an extra flavor. It's not overpowering. It looks like it's a lot, but it's really not. It just kind of gives a little bit more boost. And the next day, oh, it's so good. We're adding some green chilies. I ended up using the canned version because I couldn't find any fresh ones. Next, we'll be adding red bell pepper, green onions, shallots, and celery. You can use regular red onions or white onions, but I do say if you do sub that, at least sub the shallot out and not the green onions, because the green onions do add a nice touch. Also, if you love garlic, make sure you add some roasted garlic or fresh garlic in this recipe as well. I totally forgot it when I was making it because I was somewhat in a rush, but it is included in the recipe down below. And lastly, we're adding some Italian parsley and chives. Just brings this whole dish together, adds more color, more flavor. You can't get no better than that. I do not recommend omitting this step unless you absolutely despise the taste. I'm going to blend it thoroughly together, and just like that, we're done. Thank you so much if you watched this video until the very end. Make sure you give this video a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed it and want to see more content. And make sure you subscribe as well. See you in the next video. Bye.